Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn gerunds. If you want to master them, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
To begin with, guys, you must be wondering, but what is a gerund? And the answer is simple. A gerund is a verb that ends in ing and functions as a noun. I recommend you to watch um, my videos about the present progressive or continuous, and you will find out how to transform the verbs in ing form. So let's continue. And we have here some examples. Swimming is fun. Swimming acts as the subject. I enjoy reading. Reading acts as the object. And then we have my hobby is painting. Painting acts as a complement. But let's see more examples. Then we have here uses of gerunds. Gerunds as subjects. We have here, for example, cooking is my favorite activity. Then we have another example. Running helps you stay in shape. Then we have gerunds as objects. For example, she loves dancing. And we have another example. He enjoys singing in the shower. Then we have gerunds after prepositions. For example, he is good at drawing. You must be wondering what is the preposition in this sentence? And is this one in purple color? At. Then we have they talked about traveling to Europe. If you see here, we have the preposition about. So be careful and pay attention, guys, in those details. And you'll be like fluently speaking English and you will speak it like a pro. Then we have here uses of gerunds. Gerunds in fixed expressions. This is like the last classification. For example, is not used crying over spilled milk. This is like an expression, right? When you regret something and there is nothing that you can do. That's why it says it's not used crying over a spilled milk. Like there is nothing more that you can do to change that situation. Like life, right? Then we have I can't help laughing at his jokes. If you see here, we have a modal verb, can't, in negative. But don't worry, we will see them in another class in detail. Then we have here more examples. Swimming is fun. Swimming acts as the subject, like I said from the beginning. I enjoy reading. Reading acts as the object. Then we have my hobby is painting. Painting acts as a complement. Jogging keeps me healthy. Jogging acts as the subject. And you must be wondering, but why in some cases asked like the subject? And the answer is simple. When you see a gerund from the beginning, you will um, by logical think or say this is the subject of this sentence. And that is completely true. So be careful in those details, guys. And for example, here, reading acts as the object. Why? Because it's at the end of this sentence. Like a compliment, right? I, the subject, enjoy, it could be the verb. Reading. Reading what? Books or comics, but in this case, it's like general. It says reading. It doesn't specify if it's a book, a comic, or I don't know, a newspaper or something. So be careful with those details and pay special attention. Then we have they discussed traveling abroad. Traveling acts as the object. Why? Because it's after the verb. And then we have abroad. She is excited about dancing. Dancing follows a preposition. About, you see the preposition in red, about. Be careful, guys, in those details, and you will be like a pro in this language or any other. Then we have here what activities do you enjoy in your free time? I decided to create these sentences for you to understand and for you to have like a better idea of how to use gerunds. Um, I try to write or picture out what I do enjoy on my free time. For example, if you ask me, Tanya, what activities do you enjoy in your free time? And this is like a possible answer that I will give if someone asks me. I enjoy watching series on Netflix. I enjoy traveling to new places. I enjoy learning new vocabulary words. I enjoy making videos. I enjoy cooking new recipes. I enjoy playing video games and I enjoy teaching languages. So, guys, I am really curious about what activities do you enjoy in your free time. So, if you want to share that with me, please write it down below in the comments using gerunds. Then, guys, I decided to picture out this example. Imagine if you are studying English right now in an academy or in the university, or if you have friends, or you are like a puppy, right? And you are trying to make friends in your social networks. It could be, or I don't know, in your classroom, and you don't know how to maybe avoid this topic. I decided to picture out these examples for you to get in context. And it says, "Hi Sarah, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?" And Sarah says, "Hi Lisa, I love reading books and painting landscapes." And then she says, "That sounds fun. I really enjoy cooking new recipes and running in the park." "Oh, I tried running last month and I like it too." So I hope that you got a better idea of how to use gerunds in a conversation, guys. And now, after all that information that I give you and after all those examples, I am completely sure that you are ready to accept this challenge. Let's make an activity time together. So, guys, this is like a bonus homework, I can say. I decided to create two activities in this occasion. I hope that you enjoy it. The first one says, identify the gerunds. Reading books is my favorite hobby. Um, which do you think that is the gerund? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments and I'll be reading those comments. For example, here I decided to identify for you this gerund and it's reading, right? Because why? Because it ends with ing and is from the beginning. So in this case, acts as a subject. Reading books is my favorite hobby. They enjoy hiking and biking. He apologized for being late. Swimming in the ocean is refreshing. I look forward to meeting you soon. So, guys, what are the gerunds? Identify them and please write it down below in the comments, and I'll be reading those comments. So, let's continue with the second activity. So, guys, we have here the second practice or activity time. I hope that you enjoy this part. Practice activities. Activity 1. Fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences with the correct gerund form of the verb in parentheses. Number 1. Run every morning helps you stay fit. I am interested in learning languages. She avoids eat junk food. He enjoys watch movies on weekends. They suggested go to the park. So, guys, what do you think that it's missing in these sentences? Yeah, the gerunds. And as a good pupil, you will write it down below in the comments, and I'll be checking those answers later. So don't be afraid and try to make this possible. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much to see my videos. And please try to be more collaboratively with me, giving a like or subscribing in this YouTube channel if you want to see more context like this one or in other languages. I'll be more than glad helping you improving your language skills, so don't be afraid. And thank you. See you in the next lesson.